Hey, hi YouTube, how are you? I hope you all guys are doing great. In previous video, we have seen about alter command. In this video, this is going to be a very theoretical video, but it's a good knowledgeable, it will be a good knowledgeable video. So we are going to see about SQL commands. So generally, SQL commands can be divided into basically five families. First one is DDL, okay, DDL, and this DDL is basically data definition language, okay, data definition language. By the name, you might be relating it, we have to define or modify the structure of a database and its object. Which commands actually comes under this DDL? First one is create, then we have alter, then we have drop, then we have truncate, then we have rename. Okay, so why DDL is used? It is used to define or modify the structure of database and its object. Okay, we have covered create, alter, we have also seen drop somewhere, we have also seen rename, we have not seen truncate, which we will be seeing in future. Then another type is basically DML. The full form of DML is data manipulation language. Data manipulation, sorry for my bad handwriting, manipulation language. By the name, it is clear we have to manipulate something or manage. So manage and manipulate the data stored in database tables. So what are the commands which fall under this? So we have to manage, so insert, and we have to manipulate, so it's update. We have to manage, so delete will come under this also, and select. Till now in this video we have seen insert, and I don't know, I'm not sure we have seen delete or not. We have seen drop but not delete, and then select. Okay, there is a very good interview question that what is the difference between drop, truncate and delete, which we'll be covering sometime in the future, or you can find it on internet also. Okay, then another family of SQL commands is TCL. So TCL stands for transaction control language. Okay, basically it is used to manage the transactions to ensure data integrity. Okay, now what are the SQL commands which fall under transactions control languages? Commit, rollback, and I think there is one more, it is set transactions. Okay, so set transaction, set transactions. Okay, we will be covering this. We have not covered these three commands, which we'll be covering in future. Okay. Then we have DQL, which is data query language. Okay. By the name, I think you might be understanding like which command will fall under which family. Data query language, we have to query, so there is only one command select, which we have already covered. Then we have something as DCL, which is called as data control data control language, if I'm not wrong. This is all theory part. Forgive me if there are some mistakes. It's basically DCL is related to something as security. Okay, so it's give control access to data in the database. So let's suppose you want to grant some access to some user, or you want to revoke some access from a user. So these two commands fall under grant and revoke. Basically, it is going to be a very short video, and we have some SQL commands, and the families are DDL, DML, TCL, and DQL. And these are all the commands, and we are going to cover one by one. Most of the we have covered, but most of the advanced like TCL, DCL we haven't covered. We will be covering it. So this is just a theoretical video, so that in some interviews, if they've asked you what is DDL, what is DML, so you should not be like blank like what they have asked. Okay, so that's it. Meet you in the next video where we will be covering a very interesting part, which is aggregate functions. So thank you. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.